Alright, so I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for this video on the BetaFPV HX100 SE and some of my battery testing. I took that, there was a battery that I got that was defective. I don't know if you guys saw that in the previous videos, this one that got all puffed up. I took that connector off of there and I put it on a GNB 300, you can see here. I don't recommend you do that. It's really difficult, and I actually destroyed one by accident because, well, the connector, the wires in there are so tiny that it's really easy to short. Bottom line, don't do it unless you really know what you're doing, and do it in like a safe place, because I did cause a lipo fire. I really wish I had that film because that was really exciting, but unfortunately I wasn't filming at the time, and I ended up destroying that battery and just threw it away. But in any event, for you guys, I am doing this testing, taking these risks, and so I went ahead and put that connector that was on the dead battery, moved it over to this one, to this is a brand new GNB 300. This is the other battery. They said this one still works, and it's a few cycles on it. And then I have this, also this is a brand new GNB 450, and I took the PH 2.0 connector off of there and put on the BT 2.0 connector. So, I'm going to do this video a little bit different. I'm going to show you each flight here, and I'm just going to put a little like A, B, C up in the corner, upper right hand corner, and you guys let me know which battery you think is which. I'm really curious to see what the answers are like, because, well, to me, I don't think they look all that different in terms of voltage sag. So you can draw your own conclusions as to what that means. I don't know if my conclusions are accurate or not. You can tell me if I'm wrong or not. I'm sure some people will. I'm thinking that the extra weight of the 450 versus the 300 kind of, I don't know what, cancels out the extra, I guess milliamp hours. So let me just see what the actual weight differences are here. So here's the BetaFPV 307.6 grams, and then the GNB 7.75 grams, and then the 450 way heavier at 13.0 grams. So yeah, I'm thinking that you have, what is this, 50% more battery capacity, but you've got 80% more weight, and that makes a big difference on something this light. So that's my conclusion. Don't know if that's correct or not, but I'm going to go show you the three flights, and you can see basically what I'm doing is I'm just doing full throttle punch shots over and over and over again until basically it tells me to land. So, and then, oh, by the way, the resting voltage, I know some of you guys are going to be asking what the resting voltage was for all three of these batteries. So after I finished the flights, landed, I let them sit for a little while, then I took a voltage reading with the voltage meter that BetaFPV sent. These two smaller ones were at 3.70 volts, and then the 450 was at 3.71 volts. So that's all the information I've got for this one. Here are the three flights, and let me know what you guys think. Okay, so I'm going to interrupt this video here with a quick little giveaway prize for Archer FPV. This is a old brushed tiny whip that I had for a while. I'm getting rid of some old stuff here, and Archer FPV left me a nice comment on one of my previous videos, and so if one of these comments that you guys leave for future videos catches my attention, I may have a prize for you. So Archer FPV, congratulations. If you want to claim this prize, just leave me, well, I'll leave you some instructions down in the description box. You can reach me, there'll be an email address, and don't take too long, because if you wait too long to claim this, I may give this away to someone else. So hopefully you see this video and we'll claim the prize. Here's the rest of the video.